What's up, guys? Jason from the Minto Show. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. It's the 25th of July. It's day 3 of the fair. It's a Saturday, and it rained a little bit. I got some of these new shoes. Check these out. I guess they're called cow, but they're like those rubber ones. Yeah. So I thought I'd get those this year because when it rains, it's just kind of a mess here walking around in my good sneakers. So I figured I'd try these this year, and it rained over the night here, so things are kind of sloppy. So I figured I'd put these on here in the morning and see if it dries out. But yeah, we're heading to the fair. We got to do some flower arranging, Legos. There's a bunch of different things going on this morning before lunch. So let's go ahead in and let's check it out. Here we go. How are you?
Are you recording today?
Yeah. I'll see you later. All right, guys, so that was the flower decorating contest. They do a youth version and an adult version, so grab some photos there. It's always a good time. They always have amazing designs, and yeah, it's pretty cool. So next on the line is the Lego building contest for the kids, so that's always a big event, so we'll check that out. Alright, guys, we're en route to a sheepdog demonstration at the Quillen Arena. So let's head over there. Alright, guys, that was the sheepdog demonstration. That was really cool. Those dogs are so well trained. I'm not sure if you could hear it in the video, but she uses a little whistle and all the different commands, I guess, to make the dog sit, run, speed up, go left, go right. It was really, really incredible. Those border collies, man, they're the definition of not messing around. Those dogs are meant to work, and they love it. So that was really cool. Never seen it here at the fair before, so it was kind of neat that they brought that in. So pretty cool. What's up, guys? Good morning. So it's Sunday. It's the 26th of July. It's day 4 of the fair. Combined it a couple days together there for you. So yeah, it's Sunday, and it's about 9:30 in the morning, and we're ready to get after it here.
shit.
Good morning. You gonna say hi to the channel?
What's up, channel?
How you been?
I'm doing pretty good. How about you?
Good, doing well, doing well.
How'd you enjoy last night's concert? That was a nice.
Oh, it was incredible. The fireworks were phenomenal too.
As soon as they hit that drum, boom, fireball.
I was close to the track, and you could just feel the heat.
I was over there by the entrances, and the minute they were even like, they went big. It was just.
Yeah.
Girl got out of the bathroom, little girl, right out at the same time the fireworks started. Her eyes lit up like crazy. It was amazing. But you have a great day
Yes, you
today,
too.
man.
I'll see you there. Good seeing you. All right,
sorry.
bye-bye. I'll see you later.